just kind of needed some upgrades done to it after the paint job we gave it last year. So,
Where'd it come from? Where'd it come out of?
oh, it came off of eBay. Can't remember where it came from though. But
Yeah.
off of eBay. It was a modified car. Someone modified the front end. They said they gave it a paint job and put it in a barn for a while. And we were lucky enough to pull it out for a good deal. Got her running, painted her, and then a few months back we started all the mechanical upgrades and suspension upgrades of it.
All right, so Henry over here, King, what's up? Say what's up.
Hey, Smash, how you guys doing?
You were probably involved in some of the initial paint of that car. Tell us about the condition.
Last March, like when I first started, the car was pretty much fully disassembled between the two body techs we have here. We redid all the fiberglass work, prepped it, primed it, locked everything down twice actually. We wet sanded it, and we got it in paint, painted it, laid our red stripe. It goes down the hood to the nose. Really came out slick. We used Sickened Show Clear. Show Clear really had a really deep brilliancy. It's kind of a pain to wet sand above, kind of shade scratches, but if you have a shop where you can just let it sit and sit outside like we do, it really came out good. We took it to a celebration. It really looked good as a centerpiece over there in the Corvette section.
From that point,
it was driven for a little while. When we got it, we didn't really tear into the engine that much. We did a few things, basic service. Then there was a problem with some of the gaskets in the engine that caused us to tear into it pretty deep. And since we were in there, we decided to do engine modifications, not transmission modifications, but suspension modifications, and fix the firewall, because the firewall, since we never yanked the engine in the first place, was really just hacked up fiberglass and whoever put the nose end on that car.
shout out to Rick for the fiberglass work.
Rick, he did the fiberglass work. He's recouping extremely well. I hope you guys will see him back here soon.
And now some of that suspension work. This is Cody. Say what's up, Cody.
What's going on, guys?
You did the majority of the suspension work on the Vette. Tell me what system you put in and any problems you had.
Yeah, for sure. Corvette's always had a special place in my heart. My late uncle, who passed away now, he and I were with a 71 Stingray, so I got a soft spot for Corvettes. This 65, we got all new aftermarket suspension from Speed Direct. So it's a cantilever rear, coilovers. It's a little bit unique. It was a little bit of a challenge and a learning curve for myself. I'm used to
30 inches of shock travel as opposed to maybe 6 inches at most on what this Corvette
has. But man, this thing is rad. To me, it's super clean. We literally just dropped the motor in it yesterday. My knowledge is the original 327 that car had. It's my first true project here at Smash Custom, and I'm really honored to take it upon myself to wrench on this thing. It's been great.
Thank you, Cody. And I know we've got some contests going on, and Dustin, you going to tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, so we got a contest going on. Smash Customs is sponsoring a movie called Melt on This. May 15th, they want to unveil a few cars that they're going to have inside of their movie. Smash Customs will be entering a few of our Smash Customs cars inside of that movie. And we would like to see some of your guys' custom cars, or maybe even not custom cars, but show us a video, 360 walk around of that car, a video of it running, sounding. Tell us why you want to see it in the car, what makes it special. Hashtag Melt on This.